Hello and welcome. So now in this video, what we will do, we will basically integrate Firebase into our application, and we will create the login and sign up functionality. So let me open up Firebase and Firebase console. I might have to sign in, so I'm just gonna sign up real quick. Yeah, there we go. So as you all can see, I was making a demo application for this one, so I've already made few of the things. So over here I'll add a project and I'll call this project as video call project. Yep. And let me press continue, and then after that let me press continue and select an account, default account for Firebase, creating your project. It's just basic Firebase setup that we are doing right now. Okay. Finishing up. Okay, your project is ready. Press continue, and we will have to integrate Android to it. Press this Android button. There is web, there is Unity, there is iOS. We are making an Android application. So that is the reason we are putting that. And now we have to put the name of our package. So let me copy this from here and paste it over here. And then app tech name is optional, and all of these things are just optional. You do not have to worry about anything. Press next, and it will tell you to download the Google services.json file. Let me press download. Yeah, so there we go. We have this file. So let me show this in folder. I'll have to remove this one from it. There should only be okay, we'll rename it afterwards. I'll just copy it from here, and let me see, where do you have to put it in? Switch to project view, and in Android Studio we'll see root directory. Okay, inside our root directory we have to put this thing inside our app, right? Okay, choose to project. That's what he said, right? uh Project, and choose to app. Okay, let me just make sure that should be inside. Okay, it should be inside app. So let me just quickly paste it over here, and I will remove this 2 from it. There we go. We have this thing. So it should be below the Gradle build.gradle file. Yeah, there we go. Remember, you should not have in 2, 3, or 4 or something like that. Otherwise, your application will not work. Okay, so now press next. Add Android SDK. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, why do I have this laptop symbol? Okay, Firebase is not working good over here. Okay, never mind. So let's where are we supposed to put this thing? Inside our project build Gradle. Let me make this thing as Android and Gradle scripts. Inside our project scripts, I'll just put this thing over here. And yeah, I guess these are the things that are already there inside this thing. Google and Google and Google over there as well. And now inside our app level, we have to put this both of these lines. Okay, you know what, I'll just copy this thing and inside our application apply plugin, right? So we can just put anywhere that we want, I guess. Yeah, over here there's already that over there. So let me remove this one and let me put this one over here. And let me minimize this and put the dependency inside our implementation. Inside our dependencies, we'll put this implementation, and after that, we'll put the other one. And all we have to do is to press sync now. Let's press sync now. Let's see how it works. Yeah, I'll just pause this video, and as soon as this thing finishes up, I'll come back. So as you all can see, guys, the Gradle sync is finished, and now we will go to sign up activity. We'll directly jump to the sign up activity. Let me close off all of these things. Yeah, it might get confusing to you. Yeah, we have the sign up activity, and what I will do over here, I will create a Firebase auth. Okay, before creating the Firebase auth, we will have to integrate Firebase auth in our application. So press next, continue to console, and go to authentication. Okay, where is it? Get started. Okay, so press enable, save, and now you can press go to docs over here, and you need to go to the authentication and add some dependencies, I guess. So let this thing. As you all can see, I'm inside the authentication. We have to press this get started with Firebase, and we have to add these dependencies that are there over here. So let me copy this one. Yeah, let me just quickly do that. Go to project, Gradle scripts, module app, and there we go. Just remove these things. Press sync now, and it will take only a while to do that. As soon as you do that, you will have that Firebase auth inside your suggestions. Yup, as you all can see, Gradle sync is finished and it is working fine. And now I guess this will work now. Okay, Firebase auth. Yeah, there we go. And now I'll write auth over here, and after doing that, over here, right over here, I will write after setting the content, I'll write auth is equals to Firebase auth dot get instance. And after that, already have an account. So for the other guy, I'll be create account dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So over here, I will just basically do few things, like I will write string email pass and name, and I will write email is equals to email box dot get text. Okay, email dot get email. Okay, I'll write string email, string pass, string name, email as email is equals to email dot get text dot to string. I'll do the same thing for the other ones as well. Password is equals to get text dot to string, and I'll write the same thing for our name as well. Name is equals to name dot get text to string. And right over here I will write auth dot create username with create user with email and password. I'll write email comma pass s email, I'm sorry, s email and s pass. Yeah, and I'll write add on complete listener new on complete listener. Yep, and write a semicolon over here, and I'll write if task dot is successful, your I'll write a toast, and I will tell the user that your account is successfully created, and I'll write else condition dot make text. Okay, network error, or I'll just write error over here. Yeah, similarly this way. After that, after putting in a nice toast, we will redirect the user to the login activity. Start activity, new intent, sign up activity dot this, and I'll write login activity dot class. So I guess this should work fine. So let me play and try it out. Gradle build running. Okay. So as you can see over here, I have this application. I'll press create an account, and I will enter my name as Saif Khan and email address as saif@gmail.com, and I'll write password as abc123, and let me press create an account. Yeah, your account is successfully created and we are moved over here. And now after doing this thing, we will create the functionality for our login activity. If you can see over here, we have successfully made the sign up activity functionality. Now all we have to do is just check for the login activity. So over here, where is our login button? Login button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and before that we have to write Firebase auth. Firebase is very much nice. We can make very complex applications using Firebase. Auth Firebase. I'll just do it over here. Firebase auth dot get instance over here, and over here I will write auth dot login, sign up. Okay, before that we need to create these strings, right? Email and password. and over here we will write email is equals to email box dot get text dot to string, and password is equals to password box dot get text dot to string. Yeah, in this way. And I'll write auth dot sign in with email and password, and I'll pass in the password email comma password, and I will write add on complete listener new on complete listener, and I will write if task is successful. I will write toast. Okay, we did not have to write toast. We'll write an else condition over here. I'll write a toast over here. The user does not exist, or internet or no internet connection. If the user is, if the user exists and if everything is fine, we will move on to the activity. For now, what I will do over here is that I will just remove this thing. Firebase has this awesome functionality, right? We can get the exception and we can get localized message. So it will show us the exact message. And for now, we will put a toast message over here just to see that it is working. Logged in, yeah. And now let me press A over here and open up simulator. So okay, changes were not applied, so I guess we have to restart our application. So as you all can see, this thing is launching our activity splash screen. And now what I'll do, I'll just sign up. I'll sign up using the email that I have created, and it should tell me logged in. So this is working fine. This is working very much fine. So let me minimize this one and let me go to authentication and let us see the user. So as you all can see, the user ID is this thing and the identifier is this thing. And now we will move back. In the next video, we will store the user data in the Firebase Firestore. So we'll be storing everything, all the user data like the name, email, and password in the Firestore. Just to, just to know about the users, what are all the users' email and their names. Just to know that we will be storing all of the information inside the Google Cloud Firestore. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. See you all guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.